Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, we are translating some basic daily use sentences from Hindi to English. So yeah, this is video about how we can use these sentences on our daily basis. So yeah, the first one is मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो ऐसा करेगा. I don't I don't think I don't think मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा करेगा. I don't think that he will do this. क्या तुमने मुझे पुकारा? Did you call me? Did you call me? Do you call me? Did you? Pukarna is like call, na, right? I call you. I पुकारना. हरीश right? Okay. ये बहुत महंगा है, मैं इससे नहीं खरीद सकता. This is true. This is very expensive. This is expensive. I can't buy it. Okay. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो सोचने के लिए. Give me some time to think, right? क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए खाने के लिए? Do you need something to eat? Do you need something to eat? Okay, the sixth one is हम पहले भी मिल चुके हैं. We already met once. We already met once. We have met once. Already met. We have already met once. मैं कल से ठीक महसूस नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I have not been feeling well since tomorrow. For yesterday. Okay, उसने मुझसे माफ़ी मांगी. He said sorry to me. Or he apologizes to me. Apologize to me. क्या तुमने दरवाजा बंद किया था? किया था, right? Did you close the door? Did you close the door? हमें जल्दी निकलना चाहिए, नहीं तो देर हो जाएगी. We need to hurry. We need to go quickly. We need to go quickly, otherwise it's late. We need to need to hurry up, right? It's more conversational. Okay, let's check when the answers are so correct. Slightly more natural is. I don't think he will do it. I don't think that he will do it is. I don't think that he'll do it. Okay. Did you call me? Did you call me? Okay. This is very expensive. I can't buy it, right? Give me some time to think. Give me a casual speech, okay, in English. But for writing, formal use, give me. Yeah, I know. But I learned this from some spoken conversation practices. Give me some time. Do you need something to read, right? We already met once, right? Yeah. I have not been feeling well for yesterday. I haven't been feeling. I haven't been feeling. I haven't been feeling well since yesterday. Since right. Okay. Common in everyday speech. I haven't been unwell. I've been unwell since yesterday. Have been. I have been unwell since yesterday. Okay. He apologized to me. Yeah, it's correct, right? But just he said sorry to me. He said sorry to me. More casual. He said sorry to me. Did you close the door? Did you close the door? Okay. We need to hurry up, otherwise it's late. We need to hurry up, otherwise we'll be late. It's late. Well, use. That means I did. Yes, I did like almost correct, right? Yeah. Nice. So let's revise yesterday's lessons or yesterday's sentences. So yeah. Yesterday's lessons are मैं इस समय बहुत व्यस्त हूँ. I am very busy right now. I was very व्यस्त हूँ. I am very busy right now. उसने मुझे बिना बताए सब कुछ कर लिया. He did everything without asking me. He did everything without telling me. और asking me नहीं, मेरे से पूछ के नहीं, मेरे से बता के, बिना बताना नहीं, telling, right? क्या तुमने मेरी बात मानी? Did you follow what I said? Did you follow or did you? Okay. Did you follow what I told you? Did you listen to what I said? Okay. Did you listen to what I said? Or did you do what I asked for? Okay. Okay. Hard noted. Outside is cold outside. It's very cold outside. It's very cold outside. So wear sweaters. Wear sweaters. Okay. I'll be waiting for your answer. I will be waiting for your answers. Firstly, I asked them the question. I asked them the question first. First, I asked him the question, right? I asked him the question. Do you like the place? I am trying, but I don't even understand. I'm trying, but I can't understand. I am with you, and I'm very. Okay. So yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please help me in this. And thank you. I will come back soon, and will continue the series. Okay.